The hidden internal instructions for ChatGPT 5 and Claude Fable just leaked on GitHub. Want to see them? I'll show you. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today. It is July 8, 2026, and the trending page is absolutely on fire with AI agents and massive open source drops. We've got everything from Meta's legendary internal design system to local first memory for your LLMs. You do not want to miss these updates. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, TencentCloud is solving the biggest problem with AI agents, memory. TencentDB-Agent-Memory gives your agents actual long-term memory without any external API calls. Why? Because it uses a 4-tier progressive pipeline to distill fragmented conversations into structured personas and scenes. It's built with TypeScript, and it's already trending at 7,000 stars. The cool part is how it uses symbolic short-term memory to turn heavy tool logs into compact mermaid symbols. This cuts token usage massively and keeps your agent from getting lost. If you're building with OpenClaw or Hermes, this is a must-have. You can basically give your agent a personality that actually persists across sessions without paying for it. Next, we have Last 30 Days Skill. This is a research powerhouse for AI agents that searches across Reddit, X, YouTube, and even Polymarket to get real-time human insights. It has hit 50,000 stars, and for a good reason. It's not just a web search. It's a search engine scored by upvotes and likes rather than editors. You can install it as a plugin for Claude Code, or use it through the npx skills command. It's designed to give your AI actual recency on trending topics. Imagine asking your agent what the developer sentiment is on a new framework and getting a synthesis of Hacker News and Twitter in seconds. That is what this does. Okay, this one is spicy. System Prompts Leaks is a repo documenting the hidden instructions for every major chatbot out there, including ChatGPT 5.5 and Claude Fable 5. It just gained over 1,200 stars today because people are obsessed with how these models are tuned. It even includes leaks for Gemini 3.5 and Antigravity. Check out the diffs between Opus 4.8 and Fable 5 to see exactly what changed in the prompt. It's like a masterclass in prompt engineering from the world's best labs. Whether you want to learn how they handle safety or how they enable specific tools, this is a goldmine. It's literally the secret sauce of AI, laid bare on GitHub. Then we have superpowers. This isn't just a library. It's a complete software development methodology for coding agents that actually works. It's sitting at nearly 250,000 stars. Instead of just writing code, the agent steps back and asks you what you're really trying to do first. It builds a spec and a clear implementation plan before starting. It emphasizes true red-green TDD and a methodology called sub-agent-driven development. It works with Cursor, VS Code, and Claude Code right out of the box. The wild part? It treats the AI like an enthusiastic junior engineer and forces it to follow strict rules. This drastically reduces the hallucination rate during large refactors. Switching gears, PhotoGIMP is trending again with over 2,000 stars today. It's a massive patch for GIMP 3 that makes it look and feel exactly like Adobe Photoshop. If you want to ditch the subscription but hate the GIMP interface, this is for you. It reorganizes every tool and even adds Photoshop keyboard shortcuts. It's built with CSS and works on Linux, macOS, and Windows. You get a customized splash screen and an optimized canvas space right after installation. It's community-driven and totally free. If you've been on the fence about moving to open-source creative tools, this patch makes the transition completely painless. Meetily is the trending meeting assistant of the week with over 7,000 stars in 7 days. It's built on Rust for speed and privacy, running 100% locally. Why? Because your data never leaves your machine. It uses Whisper and Parakeet for live transcription that is 4 times faster than standard cloud implementations. It handles speaker diarization and uses Ollama for local summarization. It's hands down the best self-hosted AI meeting note taker for macOS and Windows right now. No cloud, no subscription, just pure local compute. For anyone worried about corporate privacy when using AI in meetings, Meetily is the answer we've been waiting for. Meta just dropped Astryx, an open source design system that has been internal to them for 8 years. It's already powering 13,000 apps inside Meta, and it's finally public. It ships with over 150 accessible components built on React and StyleX. The big news? It's fully agent-ready, meaning AI assistants can build with it natively. There's no build plugin required, and you can override anything with Tailwind or CSS modules. It's designed to be composed at any level, not locked in. If you want the stability of a system used by billions of users with the flexibility of a modern stack, Astryx is going to be huge this year. Finally, we have Page Agent from Alibaba. This is a TypeScript-based GUI agent that allows you to control any web interface using natural language. It's effectively a script that gives any web page its own AI agent. It hit 25,000 stars, and its weekly growth is absolutely mind-blowing right now. It supports MCP and browser automation, making it easy to build agents that actually do things in the browser instead of just talking about it. From filling out forms to navigating complex dashboards, this repo is a massive leap forward for autonomous web browsing. Definitely keep an eye on this one. Huge thank you to all the open source contributors for these incredible projects. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.